Our next lesson is Turbo C using for loop. So again, we open up our compiler. Now the for loop has, as well as any other loop, they has three parts: the initialization, the condition, and the incrementation phase. So for this example, we will declare an integer named integer a, which we will use as our counter. So first, we type our for loop, then using the open and close parenthesis, here we will place our first our condition or our initialization. So we initialize a to have a value of 1. You can also use other integer values such as 0 or -1. Afterwards, it is followed by the condition. So in our case, we should always check if a is less than 10. And then last part is the incrementation phase, where we increment the value of our counter so that it can loop and check for the condition. Now in for loop, we must take note that the value of a once initialized must first be executed through the statement. Afterwards, that is the only time where a is incremented. So for this example, our program will loop from 1 to 9. So using this example, printf, the value of a is comma a. So let us compile the example. There are no errors. Let's run. Now we forgot to put in the \n so that we can format the line vertically. So again, let's run the program. Okay, as you can see, the value of a is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up until 9. So that is our example using for loop. Now there are instances where you want to increment a using this symbol also. So you can replace a plus plus or your counter variable plus plus with variable is equals to variable plus 1. So it will have the same result. So for example, now if you want to add an increment of 2, 3, or any other number, you can just change the number that you want to increment. So in this example, a is equals to a plus 2. So it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You can also do a reverse loop or a reverse for next loop by decrementing. This time using the minus minus sign, decrementing the value of a. So for example, a is equals to 10. A should be greater than or equal to 1. Then we run our program. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We must always take care of our condition and then our incrementation to make sure that we will not be trapped in an input. So that ends our lesson for